Keeping your pool's filtration system in top shape ensures clean, clear water all season long. We'll guide you through how to replace the lateral assembly in your Hayward sand filter, a crucial step for efficient filtration. Start by turning off your pump and setting your shutoff valves to the off position to prevent water loss. If you don't have shutoff valves, place a Hayward cap in the skimmer and return to stop water flow. Using a screwdriver, remove the bolts on each end of the C-clamp and set it aside. Carefully detach the multiport valve from the lateral assembly and place it to the side. Then, remove the drain cap from the bottom of the tank to let all the water drain out. Next, it's time to remove the old sand. You can scoop it out manually or use a shop vac for a faster cleanup. Reach down into the tank, position the laterals upright, and remove the entire lateral assembly. Place the new lateral assembly into the tank, ensuring all the laterals are fully extended inside of the tank. Now, fill the tank about 1/3 of the way with water to help protect the laterals when adding new sand. Cover the lateral assembly with the included cardboard sand shield or a cup to prevent sand from entering the center pipe. Slowly pour the new sand into the tank, filling it about 3/4 of the way. Reconnect the multiport valve by inserting the lateral assembly into the port at the bottom of the valve head. Push the multiport valve down and carefully align both pieces of the C-clamp with the valve head so that it aligns with the tank. Insert the screws on each end and tighten securely. Before you finish, make sure the valve is in the filter position. And that's it. Your Hayward sand filter's lateral assembly is replaced and ready to keep your pool water sparkling. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.